In this session, we will be seeing how to create ribs in Creo Parametric. So this command helps to redraw and convert into 3D solid part. Okay, we will see this command in the Creo interface. Go to the new, create new part. I will create a cube on this plane. Okay, I will simply sketch, then sketch view. I will create a rectangle, center point rectangle here. Okay. So I will simply extrude this sketch to the length, to the depth of 300 or 100. Okay, click on OK. You can also pause this step. Okay, and then resume. This is option available in the Creo parameter. Click on OK. Then also you can create a wall on this surface. I will go to the sketch. I will create a center point rectangle here. I will create a wall on this side. Then extrude this to the sketch. Okay, to the distance of 300 mm. Okay, so this is how you can create a extrude. So what I will do, I will create rib here. Okay, I will go to this plane, create a sketch. Okay, or you can directly go to the rib command. Okay, this profile rib, then select the plane and create a sketch. So go to the sketch view, create a line joining these points. Okay, click on OK. So this is how you can create a profile rib with the help of profile rib command, and give the width here. Okay, 10. Change the direction. Okay, flip direction. Okay, this direction you can flip. Okay, so there is no surface here, so it is not available. So change the thickness between 2 points. Okay, click on OK, and this is how you can create. Okay, so now we will be seeing trajectory rib. Okay, for trajectory rib, I will delete this profile rib. Okay, I will create another wall here. Go to sketch, center point rectangle, and I will create a wall here. Okay, extrude this. Go to the trajectory rib. So for sketch, select the surface and select this surface. Sketch view. I will create a line here, or you can create multiple lines. Okay, so I will create multiple lines joining these two edges. If I double click, it will be deactivated. See this? This is how you can create trajectory joining two surfaces. So these surface and surface are joined using trajectory rib. Okay, just click on OK, and you can create a trajectory rib. Just click on OK, and this is how you can create a profile rib and trajectory. So we will be seeing how to create holes. Okay, I will flip this model, rotate it. I will go to the hole command. So I want linear holes. Okay, so these are the types of hole: linear, radial, diameter, coaxial. Okay, on point, on sketched. Okay, this is how you can create. So I will create here. If you want to move, you can drag variable offset reference. You can create an offset reference. I have created offset reference from this surface. You can edit it from here, 150. See this? There are profiles. So first one is a flat. Then there is a drill. Okay, you can also create a sketch one. There is countersink, hole, you can create a countersink hole, counter bore hole. Okay, then there are the standard hole. If you click on standard, see this, there is a profile taper. You can give a taper angle here, and also give the screw size. You can also change the thread type. So this is the ISO 7/1. So we will keep this. So this is how you can create a hole. So you can change the diameter. Diameter has been changed. This is how you can change the parameter. So I will change the depth to the 50. See, just create. Okay. So this is how you can create a hole. So the next we will see. So this command help to display. So you can adding taper and extrude. So you'll see this one by one. So now we will be seeing selecting and editing. Understand the basic Creo parametric basic control. We will see the basic controls, drag handles, dimension dragger, and keyboard shortcuts. So the first are the keyboard shortcuts. So these are the keyboard shortcuts. To regenerate, we use Control G. Okay. Then to add a new file, Control N, open, Control O. Okay. So these are the shortcuts. Okay. So for spinning the mouse, will just click on the MB2 button. Okay. Then for panning, we use Shift plus MB2. For zooming, we press Control MB2, then turn. So this is the model tree or navigation tree. Okay, selection of items using query selection. So you can search, use the search tool. Click on the tools, then find, then go to the search tool tab. Then there are the four tabs: attributes, history, status, and geometry. Okay, so Creo stimulates uses only specific rules on the attribute and status tab to perform the search for simulation entities. So you can change the object by going to file, then prepare, model properties, and the model properties dialog box will be open. Under the feature and geometry box, you can click on change and change the names line, and you can rename the dialog box. Okay, and also rename the object. So we will see creating datum features like plane and axis. So we will be seeing how to create datum features like plane and axis. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, So in the datum tab, first one is a plane, so click on plane. In the references you can select the reference like plane, surfaces. Okay, if you select the surface, you can give a translation or offset distance. So I will give 1000. See this, at 1000 distance a plane will be created. Okay, so if I select press Ctrl and select the other face, okay, so it will create an angle between these two surfaces. Okay, so bisector plane will be created. In the display option, you can change the parameters. Okay, click on OK and plane will be created. So now we will create how to create an axis. Go to axis, select the reference. So I will select this plane. Okay, and axis will be created. So if I want axis on this plane and this surface intersection, so I will simply press Ctrl and click this surface. Okay, so see this, an axis on the intersection of this plane and this surface will be created. You can also change the display here. Okay. Then properties, and click on OK. So this is how you can create an axis and reference plane using datum toolbar. Okay, so this is how you can get a surfaces. See this, the reference using the reference surfaces or reference plane can create atom features such as plane and axis. You can also create points. Go to the point and you can create multiple points. Okay, this is how you can create points. You can also create a reference coordinate system on the points for wherever you want. Okay, so this is how you can create a datum coordinate system. So in the next session we will see how to create sweeps and blends. Okay. So thank you.